All right, here we have Act 3, Scene 4, Macbeth. बैंको का मर्डर हो चुका है और अब आएगा बैंको का भूत. All right, please download the app so that you can get access to the free material that we have. And we start with Act 3, Scene 4. The banqueting hall, banquet prepared. 2 thrones are placed on stage. Enter Macbeth as king, Lady Macbeth as queen, Ross, Lennox, lords and attendants. Lady Macbeth sits. तो banquet का सीन है, राजा और रानी आ रहे हैं, उनके साथ बाकी लॉर्ड्स भी आ रहे हैं. Macbeth, you know your own degrees. Sit down. At first and last, the hearty welcome. And Macbeth says that you know your social standings. So accordingly, please take your seat. And you are welcome. The lords sit. Lords, thanks to your majesty, Macbeth, ourselves will mingle with society and play the humble host. Our hostess keeps her state, but in best time, we will require her welcome. And Macbeth says that we will mingle with the people around the society, though the lady will sit on her throne. But जब जरूरत पड़ेगी तो हम इनको बुला लेंगे. Lady Macbeth, pronounce it for me, sir. To all our friends, from my heart speaks, they are welcome. And lady कहती है कि भाई सबको बता दो that I welcome everyone to the feast. Enter first murderer. और इतने में first murderer की एंट्री होती है. कौन है ये? जो बैंको को मार के आया है. Macbeth, see, they encounter thee with their hearts thanks. Both sides are even. Here I'll sit midst, be large in mirth, anon we'll drink a measure the table round. To first murderer, there is blood upon thy face. And Macbeth मर्डर को देख लेता है बट उसको एड्रेस नहीं करता है. अभी वो सबको लॉर्ड्स को एड्रेस करता हुआ बोलता है कि अब I'll sit amongst you and before that I will go round having the drink with a toast with each person around the table. तो सबके साथ वो जाएगा और मिलेगा. और इसी बहाने से वो दरवाजे पे जाता है और फर्स्ट मर्डर को मिलता है और बोलता है there is blood on your face. फर्स्ट मर्डर, it's Banquo's then. और अगर मेरे चेहरे पे खून है तो ये बैंको का है. Macbeth, it is better thee without than he within. Is he dispatched? And he says, it is better thee without than he within. अच्छा है कि वो बाहर है और यहां नहीं है. By the way, is he killed? Dispatched? Is he killed? First murderer, my lord, his throat is cut, that I did for him. My lord, उसके लिए एक काम किया मैंने, उसका गला काट दिया. He has been killed. Macbeth, thou art the best of cutthroats, yet he is good that did the like of Leon's. If thou didst it, thou art non-peril. He says, you are the best as far as cutting throat is concerned. But the person who must have cut the throat of Fleance is also equally good. And if you have done both, that is, you have killed Banquo and Fleance both yourself, then you are non-parallel. Nobody can compare with you. You are absolutely at the top, the best. First murderer, most royal sir, Fleance is escaped. Fleance has escaped. Fleance बच गया. Macbeth, then comes my fit again. I had else been perfect, whole as the marble, founded as the rock, as broad as general as the casing air. But now I am cabined, cribbed, confined, bound into saucy doubts and fears. But Banquo's safe. And जब मैकबेथ को पता चलता है कि यार फ्लियंस भाग गया, क्योंकि असली खतरा तो फ्लियंस ही है ना, राजा तो वही बनेगा. बैंको की लिनियज से राजा बनना है तो फ्लियंस must be dead for Macbeth. He says, oh my God, again a problem. I had else been perfect. बहुत बढ़िया था. Whole as a marble, solid as a marble, founded as a rock, firm as a rock, and broad and general as the casing air, free and unconfined as the air surrounding us. But now I am cabined, cribbed, confined, bound into saucy doubts and fears. But Banquo's safe. Crammed into small space, cribbed shut up in a stall, and saucy, intrusive or distracting doubts. First murderer, my God, Lord, my good Lord, safe in a ditch he bides. इतना safe, उसको मैंने एक safely ditch में मार के फेंक दिया है. With 20 trenched gashes on his head, the least a death to nature. और उसके सर पे 20 wounds हैं, जिसमें से हर एक wound मारने के लिए काफी होता. तो he's dead with 20 gashes to his head. Macbeth, thanks for that. There the grown serpent lies. The worm that's fled hath nature that in time will venom breed. No teeth for the present. And Macbeth कहता है thanks यार, मार दिया उसको. The serpent, the grown serpent, which means Banquo, बड़ा, he is dead. And छोटा जो वर्म है वो भागा है, बट उसके नेचर के हिसाब से he will grow and he will develop venom, which means he will come back for revenge. वो बदला लेने आएगा. जो अभी भाग के गया है ना, सांप का सपोला जिसे कहते हैं, वो भाग के गया है, अभी तो उससे कोई खतरा नहीं है. No teeth for the present. He poses no danger as far as present is concerned, but he will come back and seek revenge. Get thee gone. Tomorrow we'll hear ourselves again. अभी जाओ, कल फिर बात करते हैं. Exit first murder. Lady Macbeth, my royal lord, you do not give the cheer. The feast is sold. You do not entertain your guest. The feast has started. That is not often, the feast is sold, that is not often vouched while it is making, given with welcome. A banquet is not a place where you don't welcome people. What is the difference between buying a meal at a restaurant and eating at some friend's house? It is the difference is the welcome part. अगर आपने घर पे welcome नहीं किया है, तो it is almost as if you buy a meal for yourself. A banquet is no better than a meal that has to be paid for, unless during the feasting, the guests are often told how welcome they are. And Macbeth, sir, you are not doing it. You have left everybody there and you're talking to someone on the gate. So please come back and entertain everyone. To feed were best at home. From thence, the sauce to meat is ceremony. Meeting were bare without it. The sauce to meat is ceremony. Miliye juliye, entertain kariye. It's better to eat at home, but the social rituals of a formal occasion add an extra sauce to the meat eaten away from home. So that is the social rituals of mingling with people. You cannot just ignore them. Enter the ghost of Banquo and sits in Macbeth's place. और वो मैकबेथ को ला रही है बैठने के लिए, और तब तक मैकबेथ को क्या दिखाई पड़ रहा है कि उसकी जगह पे Banquo बैठ गया. The ghost of Banquo. Macbeth, sweet remembrance. Now good decision, wait on appetite and health on both. And अब I hope we all have good appetite and we have good decision, so that we all remain healthy and this food happens to be healthy for us. All right, Lennox, mate, please your highness, sit. Rajaji, baitho. Macbeth, here had we now our country's honored roofed. The nobility of our country, complete as a house is completed when the roof is put on. Were the grace person of our Banquo present, whom may I rather challenge for unkindness than pity for mischief. And कहता है, I hope Banquo होता यहाँ पे, जिसको अब I challenge, I rebuke for lack of courtesy, because he promised and he did not turn up, rather than be sorry for any accident that has been happened to him. So I'm not sorry for any accident that he has met. He broke his promise and I am not very happy with that. Ross, his absence, sir, lays blame upon his promise. Please it your highness to grace us with your royal company. All right. And Ross कहता है, सर उसकी गलती है, वो आया नहीं है. He could not keep his promise. Please आए और बैठें. Grace us with your royal company. Macbeth, the table's full. Lennox, here is a place reserved, sir. Macbeth, where? Lennox, here, my good lord. What's it that moves your highness? ऐसा क्या है जो आप परेशान हो? Macbeth, which of you have done this? Lords, what, my good lord? Macbeth, thou canst not say I did it. Never shake thy gory locks at me. और यहाँ पे ना मैकबेथ को बैंको का जो घोष दिखाई पड़ रहा है, he has panicked and he says कि मेरे तरफ ये ना खून से भरी, ये जो खून से भरे बाल हैं, जुल्फे हैं, ये मेरी तरफ ऐसे मत झटको. बैंको का जो घोस्ट है, he's staring at Macbeth and probably swinging his head. Ross, gentlemen, rise. His highness is not well. Ross कहता है, gentlemen, उठो, निकलो भैया. Highness is not well. Lady Macbeth joins the lords. Lady Macbeth, sit, worthy friends. My lord is often thus and hath been from his youth. Pray you keep seat. The fit is momentary. Upon a thought, he will again be well. If much you note him, you shall offend him and extend his passion. Feed and regard him not. To Macbeth, are you a man? लेडी मैकबेथ ने फिर से सिचुएशन संभाली, बोली अरे सब बैठ जाओ. लॉर्ड को ये फिट्स बचपन से आते हैं और नथिंग न्यू, अभी कुछ मिनट में ये फिट दूर हो जाएगा. हाँ, द फिट इज मोमेंटरी. Upon a thought he will again be well. He will be well within a few moments. If much you note him, you shall offend him. But if you keep pointing out to him what is happening, is there a problem with you? What is the issue? Then that will offend him. So you should kind of just ignore and extend his passion. Feed and regard him not. उसको भी ignore करो. फिर वो मैकबेथ के पास जाती है कि क्या तमाशा बना रखा है? What are you doing? Are you a man? Macbeth, I and a bold one, that dare look on that which might appall the devil. And he says, I'm a bold one, that dare look on that which might appall the devil. वो जो बैंक को जो देख रहा है, ठीक है, उससे डेविल भी परेशान हो जाए. Lady Macbeth, oh, proper stuff. Absolutely rubbish. This is the very painting of your fear. This is the air-drawn dagger which you said led you to Duncan. Oh, these flaws and starts, impostors to true fear, would well become a woman's story at a winter's fire. And Lady Macbeth doesn't hold herself back. जब मैकबेथ की बारी आती है तो लेडी मैकबेथ सुनाती जरूर है उसको, ठीक. और अभी फीस्ट चल रही है और उसको घोष दिख रहा है तो वो परेशान सा है, उल्टी सीधी हरकतें कर रहा है. तो लेडी कहती है इट्स एब्सोल्युटली रबिश, इट इज जस्ट योर इमेजिनेशन, जस्ट लाइक द डैगर यू सॉ. एक डैगर सीन था ना, जब डैगर को बोलता है लेट मी कैच दी, यू आर द वन हु इज गाइडिंग मी टू द चैम्बर वेयर डंकन स्लेप्ट. फाइन. और इस तरह की कहानियां जो है ना, ओह these flaws and starts, impostors to true fear, would well become a woman's story as at a winter's fire, authorized by her grandma. और ये जो तुम कहानी सुना रहे हो ना भूत की, यार, this is what ladies do. Fine. And those stories have been passed on to them from their grandmother. So please don't do that. Shame itself. Why do you make such faces when all's done? You look but on a stool. और सब कुछ ठीक है, but ultimately you are staring at a stool. There's no one sitting on that. Macbeth, prithee, see there, behold, look, lo. How say you to ghost? Why, what care I, if thou canst not speak to? If charnel houses and our graves must send those that we bury back, our monuments shall be mouths of kites. Exit Ghost of Banquo. Macbeth कहता है, देखो वहां पे, there is a ghost. And then he says to the ghost, why, what care I, if thou canst not speak to? All right. If charnel houses and our graves must send those that we bury back, our monuments shall be the maws of kites. If vaults and graves can send back the bodies we have buried, our only burying places will be the stomachs of carrion eating birds. जो kites हैं, बस उन्हीं को फिर बॉडी सौंपनी पड़ेंगी, क्योंकि यहां तो जिनको हम दफन करके आ रहे हैं उनको भी वापस हमारे पास भेज दिया जा रहा है. Macbeth is gone mad. Lady Macbeth, what? Quite unmanned in folly. And the lady again challenges Macbeth's manhood. क्या तुम कैसे आदमी हो यार? हैं? इतना डर? Macbeth, if I stand here, I saw him. Lady Macbeth, for shame. All right. Blood hath been shed now. It olden time, a humane statute purged the gentle wheel. Aye, and since too, murders have been performed too terrible for the year. The time has been that when the brains were out, the man would die, and there an end. But now they rise again with 20 mortal murders on their crowns and push us from our stools. This is more strange that such a murder is. And Macbeth says कि पहले भी खून खराबा होता था और अभी भी हो रहा है, ठीक? And blood hath been shed now in the olden time, a humane statute purged the gentle wheel. जब पहले law and order नहीं होता था, all right? But then law and order was kind of established and the nations were regulated. Okay? The time has been that when the brains were out. पहले बस आदमी का भेजा निकाला और वो मर गया. The man would die and there an end. खत्म story. But now they rise again. लेकिन अब वो फिर से उठ जा रहे हैं मरने के बाद. और वो भी कैसे मरने के बाद? With 20 mortal murders on the crown. उनके सर पे 20 wounds हैं. And that is how they died. But they're still back. He's talking about Banquo because the first murder ने बोला कि सर 20 gashes on the head. तो मैकबेथ को वो बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा है कि यार 20 wounds हैं तब भी उठ के आ रहा है. And pushes from a stool. This is more strange than such a murder is. And this is much more strange than the murder itself. When somebody comes back from murder. Lady Macbeth, my worthy lord, your noble friends do lack you. And Lady Macbeth फिर संभालती बोलती, my worthy lord, चलो लोग हैं पार्टी में यार. Macbeth, I do forget. Do not muse at me, my most worthy friends. I have a strange infirmity, which is nothing to those that know me. Come, love and health to all, then I'll sit down, give me some wine, fill full. And फिर अब the ghost has gone. तो मैकबेथ फिर अपने आप को संभालता है, बोलता है अरे कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, मेरे साथ होता रहता है. And those who know me, they realize that it's not such a big deal. So please sit, have the meal, and also give me a drink, fully filled glass of wine. Enter ghost of Banquo. अब इसमें Banquo का ghost फिर से आ जाता है. I drink to the general joy of the whole table and to our dear friend Banquo, whom we miss. Would he were here! To all and him we thirst, and all to all. And he raises a toast to Banquo to release the tension. Lords, our duties and the pledge. Macbeth. Avaunt and quit my sight. Let the earth hide thee. Thy bones are marrowless, thy blood is cold. Thou hast no speculation in those eyes which thou dost glare with. और वो फिर से जब बैंको का घोस्ट फिर से आया है तो Macbeth is again talking to him that get out of here, get away from my side, let the earth hide thee. उसमें समा जाओ और छुप जाओ. Thy bones are marrowless, thy blood is cold. Thou hast no speculation in those eyes, and your eyes have no expression. They are just staring blankly. They are dead, which thou dost glare with. Lady Macbeth, think of this, good peers, but as a thing of custom. 'Tis no other, only it spoils the pleasure of time. It is a regular occurrence, but क्या होता है ना कि भाई मतलब दिक्कत तो होती है. It spoils our pleasure. Macbeth, what man dare, I dare, approach thou like the rugged Russian bear, the armed rhinoceros, or the Hyrcan tiger. Take any shape but that, and my firm nerves shall never tremble, or be alive again, and dare me to the desert with thy sword. If trembling I inhabit, then protest me, the baby of a girl. Hence, horrible shadow, unreal mockery, hence. And he says to Banquo's ghost, that approach me like a rugged Russian bear, or a rhinoceros with thick skin, or even a wild tiger. And if not, then come to life again, and let's have a sword fight. And if I tremble there, then I am not a man. Declare me as a scared girl. But my sword cannot fight something that is not there. And dare me to the desert with thy sword. If trembling I inhabit, then protest me, the baby of a girl. Hence, horrible shadow, unreal mockery. Hence, I cannot fight the ghost. Exit ghost of Banquo. Ghost of Banquo फिर से चले आता है. Why so being gone? If I am a man again, pray you, sit still. Lady Macbeth, you have displaced the mirth, broke the good meeting with most admired disorder. वो sarcasm मारी कि भाई बड़ा कमाल कर दिया आपने, मीटिंग जो बैंक्वेट थी हमारी सब खराब कर दिए. Macbeth, can such things be and overcome us like a summer's cloud without our special wonder? You make me strange, even to the disposition that I owe, when now I think you can behold such sights and keep the natural ruby of your cheeks, when mine is blanched with fear. And Macbeth कह रहा है कि भाई जो मुझे दिख रहा है, what I can see, can such things be and overcome us like a summer's cloud? Strange है कि summer में cloud, it is as strange as what I've seen is as strange as a cloud in the summer, without a special wonder. You make me strange even to the disposition that I owe. When now I think you can behold such sights, and now I think that a sight that has made me pale with fear, you can still tolerate that sight with your ruby cheeks, red cheeks. Ross, what sight, my lord? And now the ghost was visible only to Macbeth. तो रॉस कह रहा है किसकी बात कर रहा है? What sight, my lord? जैसे मुन्ना भाई में भी इसमें बापू दिखता था, ठीक है, और सर्किट कहता हाँ आप उनको भी दिख रहा है वही है. तो रॉस सेज what sights, my lord? Lady Macbeth, I pray you speak not. He grows worse and worse. Question enrages him. At once, good night. Stand not upon the order of your going, but go at once. And Lady Macbeth यहाँ पे पार्टी ब्रेक करती है, बोलती भाई सब लोग खड़े हो जाओ, कोई रिचुअल नहीं है, कोई ऑर्डर नहीं है, just stand and leave because it is getting worse and worse. Lennox, good night and better health. Attend His Majesty. Lady Macbeth, a kind good night to all. तो अब यहाँ पे सारे lords and attendants चले जाते हैं. Macbeth, it will have blood, they say. Blood will have blood. Stones have been known to move and trees to speak. Augurs and understood relations have by maggot pies the shoves and roots brought forth the secrets man of blood. What is the night? What time of night is it? Okay, Macbeth कहता है कि भाई ऐसा है कि अगर खून किया है तो खून बहेगा. All right. Speaking birds such as magpie, jackdaws, and rooks have given omens, and signs have revealed the most hidden murderer by means of talking birds. All right. And no relationships between natural phenomena and events in the human world. Magpies, which can imitate the human voice, shoves, crows, birds of ill omen. All right. Lady Macbeth, almost at odds with morning, which is which? And he says, what is the night? Time क्या हुआ? तो बोला time ये है कि रात है या दिन पता नहीं चल रहा है. Almost at that point. Macbeth, how sayest thou that Macduff denies his person at a great bidding? All right. And Macbeth यहाँ पे एक और सवाल उठाता है कि Macduff has not come to our banquet. What do we make out of it? इसका हम क्या समझें? Refuses to come. Macduff's refusal is an insult and an act of defiance. Macbeth, Lady Macbeth, did you send to him, sir? Macbeth, I hear it, by the way, but I will send. There's not a one of them but in his house I keep a servant feed. And यहाँ पे Macbeth कहता है कि एक भी लॉर्ड ऐसा नहीं छोड़ा है मैंने जिसके घर पे मैंने अपना एक स्पाई न रखा हो. A person to keep an eye on these lords. I will tomorrow, and betimes I will to the weird sisters. मैं कल भेजूंगा Macduff के लिए, and I'll also go and meet the weird sisters, the three witches. More shall they speak, for now I am bent to know by the worst means the worst. And मैं जाके उनसे पूछूंगा क्या होने वाला है. I want to know what is the worst that can happen to me, because things are going out of hand anyway. For mine own good, all causes shall give way. I am in blood, stepped in so far that should I wait no more, returning were as tedious as go over. And he says that I have entered the career of crime and I have come so far that returning back seems more difficult than continuing. तो मैं आगे ही बढ़ूंगा अब. Strange things I have in head that will to hand, which must be acted, they may be scanned. And I have got strange ideas in my head, and they should be acted upon. Looked closely. Lady Macbeth, you lack the season of all natures. Sleep. Lady Macbeth पहले क्या बोली थी? Go and wash your hands. जब वो खून से सने हाथ लेके आया था, यहां भी प्रैक्टिकली बोल रही है कि सारी समस्या का एक ही हल है क्या? Go to sleep. Macbeth, come, we will to sleep. My strange and self-abuse in the initiate fear that wants hard use. We are yet but young indeed. And Macbeth कहता है यार, we are not professional criminals. We have just started. So obviously things bother us much more. We are yet but young indeed, which means inexperienced and exit. तो क्या हुआ भाई? मैकबेथ ने पार्टी रखी, पार्टी में बैंक को मिला भूत. अब वो परेशान है, सबने देखा इसको क्या हो रहा है, पूछा. लेडी मैकबेथ ने एक बार सिचुएशन संभाली, दोबारा फिर से बैंक को आ गया. अब मैकबेथ ने दूसरी बार, लेडी मैकबेथ ने बोला सबको भाई गुड नाइट, इमीडिएटली पार्टी बंद करो, जाओ. DJ off. Okay, and then Macbeth says कि look, Macduff भी नहीं आया है, what do you make of it? I think वो पसंद नहीं कर रहा है मेरा राजा बनना, मैं उससे मिलूंगा और मैं 3 witches से फिर से मिलूंगा just to know what else is in store for me. And then lady says, just go to sleep. And he says, okay, we'll sleep. And हम क्राइम की दुनिया में इतना आगे आ गए हैं कि अब पीछे जाना ज्यादा मुश्किल है, आगे बढ़ना थोड़ा आसान है. All right, and then exit and the scene is over. Now it is getting like really tormenting सा हो गया है. मतलब मैकबेथ ने मर्डर तो कर दिया है, अब झेल नहीं पा रहा है. एंड यही उसकी पहली प्रॉब्लम थी. It wasn't morality that was stopping him from killing Duncan. It was the consequences. तो अब झेलो consequences.